Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Crypto Hard Wallet updated. Follow these steps to set up, secure, and use your device safely from the first boot to daily transactions. I will explain PIN setup, seed backup, firmware checks, and safe transactions signing in clear, simple terms. By the end, you will feel confident moving crypto to cold storage and managing occasional updates without exposing your keys. Start by unboxing and verifying the device for tamper signs, then power it on and follow the official initialization prompts in the companion app. Create a strong PIN and generate the recovery seed, writing each word legibly on physical paper and storing it in separate secure locations. Confirm the backup by completing the device's verification test and only then connect to apps or transfer funds from an exchange. When sending crypto, always review the destination address directly on the hardware wallet screen before approving any transaction to prevent address spoofing. Use trusted computers or mobile devices and avoid public Wi-Fi during sensitive actions. Keep firmware up to date by checking manufacturer release notes and verifying update signatures, and practice signing small test transactions until you are comfortable with the device's confirmation flow and security prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.